You will hear people say, well, the Social Security number, it don't belong to us, it belongs to them. Let's be clear on this. Who signed? Who's the one whose signature created the money in the first place? That would be your mother. Your mother is the creator. Your mother is the creator. She created the trust. And let's understand, the corporation over here, it can't own anything of value. That $1 million, that belongs to the creator and the beneficiary of whoever's name is on that trust. You are the beneficiary. Your mother is the creator. The only ones who it belongs to is you and your mother. The problem is they might have come up with something that has the all capital letter name on it, but that's your mother's property she gave to you. It's called intellectual property. She created your name and said, this is my baby's name. And then they came over here and took an all capital letter version of it. That belongs to you and your mother because she made you the beneficiary. You just never claimed it. You can claim it now. Now that you have awakened, you can claim it. It belongs to you. So now, what they're trading on the stock market, say thank you. Appreciate that. Thank you for investing that $1 million, because if you gave it to my mama, but it's more than millions now. Thank you. I'll take that. Thank you. I'll take that. That's what we show you how to do. All right? So yes, they're trading the all capital letter corporate entity on the stock market. If you think that's you, the problem is you, not them. So let's understand something. It's been used over the years because people have gotten ignorant to keep you down. It has been used as a tool to keep you down. But this is why we give you the universal laws chart. Because there's a law in here that says all things have duality. All things have duality. So the same thing somebody tries to use to keep you down is the same thing you use to uplift yourself. All things have duality. Number 10, universal law of polarity. Anything that is used to keep you down can be used to uplift you. All things have duality when you gain knowledge of self and knowledge of law. All right? Remember to keep that bell on for notifications. Follow UNA Republic for more great information.